1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hello beautiful and welcome to my channel. I am your spiritual internet bestie aka the Glowup Girlie, and in today's video we are going to be talking about what is goddess energy, how to embody this beautiful, magical, sensual, desired, magnetic goddess energy, practical steps on how you can start becoming her. So grab your notepad and a pen because I'm going to be giving you a lot of tea and a lot of notes. So let's start with what is goddess energy. Basically, goddess energy is when you sit back and lean into your divine feminine energy. It's all about being, creating, receiving, and attracting, as opposed to the divine masculine energy, which is all about doing. It's all about chasing. So when you sit back and lean into your divine feminine energy, that is when you're allowing the universe and all the cosmic energies to come forth, naturally give you all the opportunities, the people, the places, the things that you want, that you desire, to naturally and effortlessly flow into your life. The more you are in touch with your divine feminine goddess energy, the stronger your power becomes in bringing your dreams and your thoughts into your reality. That is how manifestation works. So to be in touch with your feminine goddess energy, you have to start embodying her. And your version of a goddess or feminine energy is true to you. It looks different for everybody else. For some, it may be the soft girl. For some, it may be the badass boss bitch. For some, it may be the rich, old money, wealthy lifestyle. Create a visual of how your goddess looks for you and how this person behaves. What are her traits? What is her character? What is her personality? What are her boundaries? This is how you understand your visual for your own goddess energy. Now, let's talk about how you can actually step into your divine feminine goddess energy. Chapter 1, understand that you are the main character of your life. Okay? Because think about it, as a goddess, why would you be the side character, the sidekick of your own show? And what is stopping you from acting like the main character of your own life? Maybe people around you have made you feel like you're not the main character in your own life, but you have the power to take control, take your power back and start setting boundaries and start acting like you are the main character, you are the it girl, you are the dream girl. You have to realize that this is your world and everybody else is just living in it. And this is coming from someone as a former sidekick in her own story. I literally used to be the biggest people pleaser. I used to be so scared to even say no or stand up for myself or set boundaries for myself because I was so scared that if I did, they wouldn't be my friends. That person wouldn't like me, that this opportunity wouldn't come to me. And guess what? In the end, it still didn't come to me. Because when people see you and they understand that you're not even important to yourself, that you don't even have the guts to stand up for yourself and put yourself first, why will anybody respect you? If you don't respect yourself, why would you expect that from somebody else? That's why they say treat yourself the way you expect to be treated, the way you want to be treated. And how do you start becoming the main character of your own life? By enjoying your own company. So let's say there's a new TV show on Netflix or something, and the main character in that show, all they do is literally live the same life every single day. They wake up, they get dressed, they go to work or school, and they come back and they eat and then doom scroll the internet until it's bedtime, 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning, and then they sleep and they live the same life all over again. How long would you watch this show? How long would you be interested in this character? So if that is what your life is, stop that right now. So what? There's nobody to go with you to the movies? Go by yourself. Nobody wants to go with you to the museum or the galleries or to a cafe. Go by yourself. And the more you put yourself in situations like this, when you start enjoying your own company, you understand so much about yourself that you didn't know before. And you start respecting yourself. You genuinely start liking yourself. And you genuinely understand that you have to protect yourself and put yourself first, because nobody else in the world will do that for you. That is why you are your own person. Another tip on how to be the main character of your own life. So every time you walk into a room or every time you start questioning your own self-worth, I want you to immediately flip the script. And instead of asking yourself, do they like me? Do they want to be friends with me? Am I worth this? And ask yourself, do you even like them? As the main character of your own fucking life, do you even want to date them? Do you even want to be friends with them? Are they worth your time and your energy and your effort? Are they worth your company? Because only once you start being picky with your energy, who you invest your energy and your time and yourself on, that is when you start becoming a high value goddess energy. Chapter 2, do not care about people judging you. Because one really cool thing that I want you to understand, no two people will look at you the same way. Yes, there might be a few characteristics or your traits that might overlap in both of their judgment, but it's not going to be the same. Let's say when someone looks at you and they think, oh my God, she's so beautiful, she's so confident, I love it. There's also innately a part of themselves that mirrors this energy. That is how they perceive themselves as well. When somebody looks at you and they say, oh my God, did you see what she was wearing? Oh my God, she's so tacky, like she's so... That is also how they see themselves. But when you understand this about people, you will stop taking anything personally. So anybody's judgment will not matter to you. Anybody saying shit about you behind your back will not matter to you because their perception of you is also mirroring them. They're seeing themselves in you, and that is the only way you can be authentically yourself. You can be true to yourself and embody your main character goddess energy. So even if it's a compliment or a judgment, I stop taking anything and everything personally because that's just how they view themselves. And if someone is hating on me, I know, and it's kind of sad that they're also hating on themselves because I'm doing something they wish they could do. They wish they had the guts to do, or they hate it for some reason and I don't know why, and that shouldn't bother me because I actually don't care. Chapter 3, do not let reality control your life. I used to be a really realistic and logical person until it ruined my life. Sure, there are a few certain areas of your life where you have to be logical and realistic and plan ahead. But once I understood the laws of the universe, the way things work, the way you can literally manifest the life of your dreams with the power of your mind, I completely stopped being a logical person. Yes, I am a Delulu person. And the way I have manifested so many things into my life just because of my thoughts and just by being Delulu. If your reality is not the way that you want it to right now, do not react to it. Let's say, for example, there's a version of your life in your mind that is making so much money every single month or every single week that you are accumulating, you're building wealth for yourself, but in reality it's not catching up yet. Okay, in reality there may be a huge bill that just came out or a huge expense that you need to pay. Really, do not react to it. What do we do if we let or if we react? Our subconscious mind that is there right now, which is not reprogrammed to our version of success yet, it will literally take us back to reality and will be like, oh my God, of course this happens to me. You know, money has to be drained out of my life. I don't deserve anything. I'm so unlucky. Do not react like that. That is how you reprogram your subconscious mind to live in the end. It's fine. Just take a deep breath because life happens. You know, shit goes down for everybody. Everybody goes through shit. That does not mean you're not worth it. That does not mean you're unlucky. That does not mean that you won't be able to manifest the life of your dreams. That's not what it means. It just means you need to know how to control your reality, how to reprogram your mind to become the version and be successful the way you want to be, until your reality catches up to your thought. Yeah, and this goes to any other aspect of your life, whether it's money or love or a job, anything. Do not let reality control you. This is exactly what I teach in my Goddess Glow Up course, starting from scratch, how to let go of your old self, how to reprogram your subconscious mind to become the version of you that you want to be, how to craft a new goddess identity for yourself, how to embody her, and how to literally live the life of your wildest dreams by doing the bare minimum, by leaning into your goddess energy, by sitting back, relaxing and receiving, because that is what goddess energy is all about. If you're interested, check out the Goddess Glow Up course. So that brings us to the end of this video. I genuinely enjoyed recording this video so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I really hope you learned a lot on how to understand what goddess energy is, how to embody her and literally live life as her. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. and what other topics you guys would love to hear from me. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and also check me out on Instagram. We would love to have you as a part of the Glow Up family. I will see you in the next video, and until then, happy manifesting, besties, and I love you always. Bye bye.
I love you, 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 I love you.